Friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored 52 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. In this short video, I'll talk about hoarding disorder. It's a kind of a disorder. People have got it. They often think about unwanted things and they recall unwanted memories. It's not a big challenge. If you take proper steps, you can overcome this hoarding disorder. And I served in the Indian Air Force. I have some of the sweet memories in my life. I have images right from my childhood. I have images. Some are positive, some are negative. So we should only take the positive memories, and we have to discard the negative memories. I have video cassettes, audio cassettes, and I recorded group discussions. I organized group discussions around 34-35 years back because I was very much passionate about organizing things and sharing the knowledge. And now also I keep sharing my knowledge freely with the world. That's what I have been doing it right from my childhood. So, and for instance, I also have my own library, which you can see. So I have set up this library 3 years ago. It's a kind of sweet memory, and I want to leave sweet memories to the next generations. I want to leave a legacy for the future generations. Okay. The thing from this video is that you have to take only positive memories, remove negative memories, and life is all about learning and moving forward. Research shows that people waste 30% of their precious time by thinking about the unpleasant past that will never come back. There are people, they think too much about the future, which can't predict it. So learn to live in the present. And this is what less luck is, more comfort. Let me share with you my challenge. I have OCD, I am dyslexic with the ADHD, I am a late bloomer, and I have brain stroke. I was blessed to be alive on the brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. And I was born in a toxic family, grew up in a toxic environment. And I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. I'm 59 years old with lots of challenges. Despite all the challenges, I'm very positive. So the message from this video is that don't take hoarding disaster as something very serious. Carry only sweet memories, treasure beautiful memories. Let bygones be bygones. Discard unwanted things. Less luck is more comfort. Life is beautiful. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.